We're on our way again. Ooh, fly me, we're going there on a relaxed airline. That's the name of the airline we're going. And check it. We're gonna be up, and away. When you come out of the airport, you gotta take this underpass, which takes you to the city where we're staying. Which means that the only way that is accessible is by taxi. Although on either side of the road, I can see there's a pavement, so if you wanted to risk it, you could do that too, and walk it. But I guess drive with your bags and all that kind of stuff, it might be a bit difficult. And I'm not sure about the length, but hey, we'll check it out and see. Let's go.
Down here?
Are pedestrians, can pedestrians walk in this tunnel?
Can you walk?
In a tunnel.
Yeah.
Yes, in the tunnel. Can you walk? Yes, you can.
Yeah.
But it takes a long time.
Down share.
Yeah.
Sí, I mean, no,
Sí.
sí. Española, sí. Taxi. So yeah, we just...
English, France.
Oh, yeah, the tunnel. So yeah, the driver just told us that you can walk down the tunnel, but obviously he's a businessman, so he wants the business, right? So don't walk down the tunnel, get the taxi. Get a transfer. Our transfer is costing us pounds.
Return.
Oh, so that's both ways. So it's not. So it's 26. We're staying, guys, in the center of Preveza. Alright guys, so there you have it, live and direct. We're out here, Preveza, Greece. I told you. We're living it, we're loving it. We're out here for another 14 and a half days.
So, if you've liked what you've seen so far, like, share and subscribe to our channel.
And hit your notification bell, just so that you're notified when we make this and send the next upload.
Which is due on Sunday.
1 o'clock, lunchtime.
Whoop!